this is Texas Bar Hut, Trappers Hut. I'm just showing you the locking mechanism, homemade but very effective. So anyway, we're just going to go in to have a look at the interior of the hut now. And the antlers, horns. You have to bend down or creep in this little hut. So this is the antechamber, and there's lots of provisions up here, nails, wood necessary for keeping warm. The axe is still there, which is really great. I love that axe. I'll take a photo of it. It's a good Norwegian axe. Look at that. Well used. Echoes of the Viking times. And over here, more wood, tinder, starter, a bow saw, some rope, some cleats, and then you go inside the main area. And there's some, as you would expect, little boxes here all on the wall, newspaper clippings, bunks for two, reading material, a hat logbook, and most importantly, look at all this. A nice supply of bottles, some full actually. So this is a hut that's very much in use. And over here, a little stove and a spanner. I don't know what they'd use the spanner for. So this would be the area most used and so forth. So, very nice.